We're doing a backtesting session. Um, it's December 21st. Doing June 6th to June 17th. Super weird range right now. I really don't like this. If I have a draw, it's gonna be this 4 hour right here. 4 hour unfilled gap. And this buy side up here. See what happens. It could come down into this into these lows before moving higher. So we end up coming down there. We don't have an inversion. So we got this tiny one here. That would be the inverse right there, but not too confident in this price leg right here. So we get a resweep, and now we have a 3 minute, 4 minute, 4 minute IFVG. So if we get this 4 minute IFVG, look, take a stab at it. Yeah, that looks so much better. Taking a long off of this. Stop's gonna be right here. Take profit is gonna be this high. All right, TP hit there, and the 4 hour for value gets tapped on ES. So we're probably gonna we can move lower here, or we just pump higher. Yeah, we just move sideways because ES already tapped the 4 hour. See if we have anything. So we have this 5 minute for value gap. Potentially we can get a continuation. Already got a dub, but I just want to analyze the rest of the day. It's oh, it's already 11. It's 11. 11:05. All right, bet. Oh yeah, because this is a 4 minute inverse. So to recap this one, sweep of these lows, tap into this intermediate term low within the 15 minute for value gap, which is also intermediate term low within an hourly for value gap, which is also not a 4 hour. So that's pretty much it. And then draw is being higher because we've been pretty much pushing up the whole day, so continuing that bullishness. We get this resweep of these lows, and then we don't get an inversion, but we get a move higher, SMT at the highs, right here, SMT, and then we get a move lower, resweep, clean resweep, and then clean 4 minute inverse to these highs right here. We're gonna be bearish. Target these lows. Taking out this low here right now, which we also have an SMT at. See how price reacts. This 15 minute fair value gap. Been tapped into that. Size hourly, we have this hourly gap down here. See, not a fan of this price action so far. See if we get a condition to move higher. We got this hourly. We have London high that we could target. Get London high here. hit the CE of that 5-minute wick. We don't have any inversions for this. We got relative equal highs. Could get along if we could pull back into. We already pulled back into this 15-minute. When did that happen? It happened right here. So we got that chopped around sideways a little bit. I'd want to see price resweep this low. Which we don't get. We just get the 4-minute inverse. I think that's the highest. We have this 3-minute as well. So 3-minute, 4-minute. Yeah, just not a fan of that price leg. Right, we get this 4-minute inverse, but the inversion wasn't the cleanest. Yeah, I just don't like this. Yeah, price just ripping. Yeah, I'm probably gonna go to next day. No, we did tap in this hourly. There was probably could have been a mech here. Tapping into this 15-minute. Yeah, there actually could have been a mech here. Might have went too fast, but it's all good. Down to this 10:45. Got this 5-minute unfilled right here. 5-minute unfilled right here. Also 15-minute here. This will be a 2-minute inverse. Yeah, you could have had a mech here. Off this 2-minute. A little bit risky, but it works. 1R, about right here. You wouldn't have gone break even. Could probably go break even at the 15-minute. And then it would smash 1R. Go to next day. So a little sideways action. I want to see either of these highs get taken out first before I take anything. So we get SMT at the low. No trade. Get this high taken. I want to see if we want to continue higher to this high, or maybe get a reversal to push lower. But right now I'm leaning more bullish. So if we create a, we have a 5-minute here. So if we could pull back into this 5-minute for value gap, get along higher, that'd be perfect. Be a 2-minute. Alright, pretty good. Take a short, a long off of this. Be a 2-minute long. Break even at this high. Take profit, it will be this high up here. No 15-minute. Inverse is 5-minute, so did get stopped out here. still think this trade idea is good though. It's still a solid trade idea. Gonna have a actually my stop's gonna be down here. Go for 1R. Oh wait. Oh, we gotta close on that, yeah. 10:55, 10:20. That's rough. You know, that lost because there was no PDRA. And we had SMT. So after the first loss, should have just faded this one, honestly. Yeah. After the first loss, should have faded that one. That's all good. It's all good. Our next day. Sell side is gonna be the draw to this day. Yeah, the pullback wasn't into anything. I have this habit of just stabbing trades and putting on like discretion on it. I checked the 15 minute. I mean, this was just like in my head. I didn't verbally say it, but I checked the 15 minute. I saw we had no gaps that we're pulling into. I checked the 5 minute. I saw that we inversed this 15 minute. And then I was just like, fuck it, bro. I'll just stab it. I gotta stop doing shit like that. But it's good. It's good. I'm gonna keep going. Okay, I'm short. If we can pull back into this 15 minute, I'll take short. 2 minute. Yeah, we got a 2 minute short. So I'm short here. Stop's gonna be about right there. Take profits. Probably gonna be this unfilled 15. Break even at this low. 1.67 R. Okay, that has to hit now because it's 6.7. Oh shoot. Wait, I was supposed to go break even there. I was supposed to go break even there. I forgot. This was a break even trade. Break even here. Yeah, break even right there. And then it's TP. Where was 1R? That was about 1R. Okay, let's see if we can get a resweep and then get short again maybe. Yeah, honestly, we could still get a short here. What was a 5 minute? Okay, we might long actually. A 5 minute long? Be a 5 minute. Okay, let me actually think about this one. Pulling back into a 5 minute for value gap. We got SMT at the low. No, we don't. No, we don't. Tripping. We're not coming off of anything in regards to a fair value gap unless we have a 4 hour. And we inverse the 4 hour. So I don't like this range. I don't like this range. We end up moving higher. Inverse hourly. Right? We weren't in anything. Yeah, we weren't in anything significant to me. Faded this one. Faded this 5 minute. It's 10:39. Yeah, we're just moving up and down. Go to next day. We're on Friday now. Redemption. Lock in. Locking in on my analysis. Alright, 4 hour. We're in this 4 hour for value gap. Hourly, we're in this hourly. See what price wants to do. Okay, we want to displace lower, probably targeting these lows down here. All these stacked lows down here, so definitely bearish. Want to see if we get a pullback into this 15-minute before moving lower. $10.28. Have this 5-minute too. Let's see. 10.34. 10.43. Get that super shallow sweep. No inverse. Let me short. Yeah, dog price action. Account balance 67,000. Dude, I see 6-7 everywhere. Alright. Monday, June 13th. I didn't even check news that whole time. Holy. Okay. June 13th. No news. We got PPI, FOMC this week, unemployment claims, Powell speaks. Alright. Well, we're taking out liquidity, so I'm leaning a little bit more. Bro, this whole range is ass. Yeah, I'm leaning a little bit more bullish. Just because we already took liquidity, so if anything, I'd want to see NWOG tap. Or pulled back into. So if we get some sort of long, that'd be pretty fire. Where's my ES chart, bro? We get SMT. We did get SMT with London low. Which makes this even better. So if we get a condition to open up for some longs, that'd be perfect. We do get another SMT here. Where's price coming off of? Price is coming off of this high. So we have SMT at the lows and we have SMT at the highs. Don't exactly have enough confirmation personally for myself that this 5-minute fair value gap will send price higher. I definitely can, but I'd rather see a different leg. We're still part of this consolidation range and whatnot. We got sell off. It's 10:33. Yeah, we're just selling off. Where are we going? Don't even know where we're going. Got this low. Got this low right here. Let's see where we at. Okay. 10:45. Probably not gonna get anything for the rest of the session. We do have this 5-minute fair value gap, so maybe we could get a short. Yeah, 10:54. I'm just gonna skip this day as a whole. We end up taking that low. Where are we? That was right here. Oh, I'm tired. Still just nasty range. South side here. Got this low here. We got London high here. I just want to see better displacement, or more displacement. I mean, we got PPI 830. This could be this high. Okay, we get a sell off. If we could pull back into a 5-minute and then get another short, it's something that I would consider. No. 5-minute inverse. Again. These are the legs that genuinely like kind of piss me off while I'm back testing. It's like sometimes like I just want a fluid like fluid like backtesting session, and then I mark all this shit out, and then it's just like ideas getting ran. But like, let's chill. I'm just impatient today. Okay, we get this 5-minute inverse. We can pull back into this, and I could take an inversion short. Please pull back. All right. No pullback. Amazing. Take out sell side. We get this 1-minute inverse. Sell side liquidity down here. That's what I'm saying, bro. We're just not coming off of anything. So if we could pull back into this 5-minute fair value gap, I'd take a, I'd still take a short. 1033. $10.56, nothing, bro. Dude. So I mean, it's 11:10. Guarantee you the short's probably gonna play out eventually. I'm telling you, sell side draw was clear. The price action was not clear as to when it would go there. This is the PA that genuinely makes me mad. It's like, bro, like you're so close to the draw. Let's just go there. You get what I'm saying? Come on, NQ. I think I'm at that point with back testing where it's like, okay, I don't get bored of back testing, but there are days where it just feels tedious. But obviously, I still back test because you gotta do it on days that you don't want to do it. But you know, sometimes it's good to have a break. And I've had like a 3-day break, but definitely for the holidays and shit, or the upcoming things that I got going on, probably not gonna be looking at the charts, like, relaxing. You know what I mean? Until the new year comes, because once the next year starts, back to locked in, back to being locked, back to being on the charts chronically every single day, like PB said. Start getting schizophrenic. All right, 9:15. Like, look at this, bro. Look what we're doing right now. Like, I could just like keep clicking, and I just know I don't even need to change the time frame. I just know we're not doing anything significant. I mean, like, look what we're trading in. You know what I mean? What do we just do? We missed buy side. What do we have? No gaps. No gaps. We just inverse the 5-minute and then watch. We're gonna go higher. All right. Okay. We're actually getting something. Could no. Okay, we have it. Okay, now we got, see, this is what I mean. When you have bad price action and then you get SMT, this is how you know bad price action is bad. Look at these wicks, look at these bodies, look how close they are. Look at the closures. Like, now we have SMT at the bottom. This should be a protected low, right? It should be a protected low. What did price do? We edge the buy side again and we move lower. What is that? Consolidation. Oh, it's just FOMC. Either way, still bad price action. I don't trade FOMC. Go to next day. Okay, we got some price action now. Alright, so we got displacement in London session. We got these sell side lows here. We're coming off this hourly for value gap. We sweep this 15-minute intermediate term high. Okay, okay, we're actually getting something, so let's see. We get displacement with no entry. Love it. We're continuing lower. We don't have any gaps to trade off of. We take out sell side. And we're just moving, chopping sideways. Bad price action. We have this 5-minute for value gap. We respected it. We're just continuing to dump. Drawn liquidity is beyond me. Is way down here. It's the sell side down here. So if if we could get a 15-minute maybe. 15-minute for value gap. Condition to open up. You get a pull back into it. But it's already 10:45. It's already 11? Come on, bruh. Don't even need to do a recap on that one. At this point, I'm just trying to end this session. Because this shit's ass, bro. This shit's ass right now. I still gotta cook and shit. Hit my macros. Hourly for value up. 10:29, 10:30. Like, this is what I'm saying, bro. How are we selling off so hard? Oh, we hit London low. Okay, that makes sense. That makes sense. That makes sense. It's just like we don't come off of anything. I'd rather be more bearish than bullish. Okay, can we get a 5-minute pullback and then a short to these lows, maybe? Or not? 4-minute inverse to the upside? Nope. Nope. This is asking for too much. Oh, resweep? 2-minute inverse? 1-minute inverse? Alright, horrible inversion. 5-minute in. It's 11. Yeah, I'm not taking nothing. Alright, ending this one here. Not too crazy of a session. I'll probably review this another day. But this last week, the week of June 13th to June 17th was pretty shitty price action. I took 2 trades or 3 trades. One stupid loss, one loss that was okay, I guess, and then the win was pretty fire. Alright, peace.